Snack, thanks for stopping by. I'm going to try a little bit of mixed mode here. That mode is PowerPoint and a live demo. So let's go there. Let me go full screen. And again, thanks for stopping by. This is April 2023. Gonna kind of take a peek at RSVP buttons and stop there. Next session will be landing pages from a calendar snack, but let's just dump into kind of a popular area where we have email marketers coming to us, typically using MailChimp, ConvertKit, Klaviyo, or SendGrid. These are the 4 pieces of code that you can grab from generating a calendar snack. When you grab these pieces of code for these email marketing providers, we give you that code snippet whereby somebody uses the RSVP button, and by using that button in a email template, when somebody clicks, they're actually sent the calendar invitation to their email address from the email marketing template from the database, and we track that on the back and actually watch the behavior of the calendar invite itself. So that said, walking you through the process, you're going to use your calendar client as a marketer to actually create the calendar snack. It's a little bit maybe sometimes too simple, but all you need to do is create at calendarsnack.com. We send you back a calendar snack to your email address. Within that email address, that is a hyperlink there to click, and that brings you into the calendar snack dashboard interface. In the interface itself would be landing pages and email marketing links. I'm going to focus here on MailChimp quickly. So essentially you're going to go into that link, you're going to copy the code, simply click it, copy it, and you're going to take that code and insert it into the RSVP button or the call to action in the email template. You can see here in the mockup, which I'm going to show you a live one here a little bit later, how the code was inserted there from the calendar snack, and you click insert there and you move on to the next, which is a highlight about testing it. Once you've inserted this and saved it, you can use the MailChimp test engine, send out a test, and you'll be walked through this workflow. And upon testing, if you like it, obviously you can go to production and get your big batch out for MailChimp email sending. But the point here is this is what happens in the customer and user interface when the button is clicked. The RSVP button is clicked from our code from the calendar snack, and they're sent to a pre-built landing page in which we auto-generate in the back, which takes all your calendar invite information and auto-generates this page here, and then a calendar invitation is sent to the end user, and then dependent upon how they interact with the calendar invitation itself on their calendar client, under yes, maybe, and no, we track that information here on the back in what's called the calendar snack invitee report. And the report is captured here for privacy. No one can see that unless you click get the report and it's sent to your email address. So that said, that kind of concludes the slideware part, and then I'm going to take you into the clickability of the calendar snack here. When I click it, I get this page here, and you can see I've copied this event here for the Gartner Summit event, and I've taken that information here and I've put it here into this email template from MailChimp. You see it there, and I'm clicking it, hitting edit. I've copied and pasted the code in there, and I've hit saved, and you're ready to go test it. And when you go test it, I've walked you through what happens here in the test engine. You can save it, test it, and walk through the workflow. And that's it. Thanks for stopping by and checking out our tech.